of the damn thing.
You need me to help you.
Yeah, I guess you're gonna be able to. What the hell is it stuck on now?
I think roll paper.
No, it ain't wallpaper.
Oh, it was my ball. How'd it get back there?
Yeah, it's been back there for months.
I've been looking for this ball.
It was stuck in a damn heat vent.
No.
That's what it was stuck in. So maybe the leg didn't collapse on it. Maybe it was just that damn thing. Where in the hell's the cord now? Buried in some of the shit somewhere.
No, that's coffee going. What a mess.
No shit. Where in the hell's the cord?
So,
That's why I had to move it to get so I could plug that in. I couldn't get it to move. I thought the leg was falling off of it, which it probably was.
where'd it go?
Huh?
It said where'd it go?
Don't be moving everything around over there. Just look. It's black. It's a cord. Here's the other one. I got two. Yeah, knock it off and break it. Then we don't have to worry about it anyhow.
I didn't knock it off.
Well, you're trying.
Oh, nope, it's not that. It's a cord.
Huh?
Nothing.